Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just a weekend warrior, having the right tools can make all the difference. From innovative gadgets to classic essentials, we've rounded up the coolest tools you absolutely need to know about. These tools are here to revolutionize the way you work. Get ready to discover the ultimate toolbox essentials that will have you saying, "Why didn't I know about these sooner?" The world of welding, and introducing you to the coolest tool you need to know about, the ESAB Renegade VOLT TEM ES200i welder. The ESAB Renegade VOLT TEM stands out from the competition because it operates without wires. That's right, folks, no more tripping over cords or getting tangled up in cables. With the Renegade VOLT TM, you can enjoy hassle-free welding without any of the mess. While the project creators don't specify the device's battery life, they proudly mention its capability of delivering up to 150 amps when plugged into a socket, and if you need a little extra juice, it can reach up to 200 amps, giving you all the power you need to tackle even the toughest welding projects. The Renegade VOLT TEM contains 4 ESAB batteries housed in a separate block, attached by latches. This means that it activates instantly and ensures a consistent weld with constant amperage, so you can say goodbye to uneven welds and hello to professional quality results every time. While the Renegade VOLT TM does have a display, it might be challenging to see through the mask. But hey, with a little practice and the right positioning, you'll be welding like a pro in no time. While the Renegade VOLT TM may be packed with cutting-edge technology and unbeatable performance, it won't break the bank. With a starting price of just $4,000, this bad boy offers incredible value for money, giving you professional-grade welding capabilities at a fraction of the cost. The Makita LXT Wheelbarrow. Forget about road trips, because we're about to embark on a journey of yard work and productivity like never before. Let's dive in and see what makes this bad boy the ultimate multitasker. Picture yourself feeling the breeze through your hair as you roll along, enjoying the gentle hum of the wheels and the powerful engine beneath you. Sounds like a dream road trip, right? Well, think again, because we're actually talking about getting stuff done in your yard with the Makita LXT Wheelbarrow. With its sturdy tires and rugged design, this bad boy is ready to tackle any task with ease. The Makita LXT Wheelbarrow is powered by 2 18V batteries, giving you all the juice you need to get the job done. And with 3 speed settings, you can adjust the pace to suit your needs, whether you're cruising through the yard or navigating tricky terrain. But here's the catch. While this bad boy can carry up to 300 kilos, it's best not to load more than 180 kilos on slopes, and if you need a little extra tilt, you'll have to adjust it manually, as the hydraulic system only tilts the body up to 75 degrees. But hey, with its 4 wheels for extra stability, you'll have no trouble getting the job done, even on uneven ground. But here's where things get really interesting. Versatility. The Makita LXT Wheelbarrow isn't just for hauling heavy loads, it's also perfect for a wide range of yard work tasks, from transporting mulch and gravel to moving plants and equipment. With its durable construction and ergonomic design, this bad boy is designed to make your life easier, so you can spend less time working and more time enjoying your yard. While the Makita LXT Wheelbarrow may be packed with features and performance, it won't break the bank. With its competitive price point and unbeatable value, this bad boy offers incredible bang for your buck, giving you professional-grade quality without the hefty price tag. The M18 Compact one-tone chain hoist with one-key technology. Whether you're working in a large industrial setting or tackling projects in your own garage, this bad boy is about to become your new best friend. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. Employees in large industrial settings will find this new product particularly handy, especially in areas lacking gantry or overhead cranes, or where such equipment is already in use. With its compact design and powerful performance, this electric hoist can handle various loads as it moves along the chain, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. When not in operation, the M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist can be conveniently stored in a dedicated case, keeping it safe and secure when not in use. Plus, with the kit coming complete with the hoist, remote control, and chain, you'll have everything you need to get started right out of the box. Powered by a battery, there's no need for cables or cords, giving you the freedom to move around without being tethered to a power source. And with the remote control boasting a range of up to 18 meters, you'll have all the control you need, whether you're lifting pipes to the ceiling or maneuvering heavy machinery into place. With the M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist, you can take your productivity to the next level with Milwaukee's innovative one-key technology. This game-changing feature allows you to track and manage your tools with ease, giving you unparalleled control and visibility over your equipment. Whether you're monitoring usage, scheduling maintenance, or tracking inventory, one key technology puts the power in your hands so you can work smarter, not harder. While the M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist may be packed with features and performance, it won't break the bank. With its competitive price point and unbeatable value, this bad boy offers incredible bang for your buck, giving you professional-grade quality without the hefty price tag. The lift plaque. If you've ever witnessed utility workers lifting manhole covers in the bustling streets of a big city, you know it's no easy task. But fear not, because lift plaque is here to revolutionize the game. Let's dive in and see what makes it so special. Lift plaque simplifies the process of lifting manhole covers, making it effortless for even a single worker to get the job done. No more coordinated efforts or heavy lifting, just bring the tool close, hook the cover with the magnet, and pull it off with ease. Say goodbye to back strain and hello to efficiency. While lift plaque can handle loads of up to 450 kg, it's designed to prevent back strain when lifting loads of up to 110 kg. That's right, folks. With its innovative design and powerful magnet, this bad boy is built to handle even the heaviest manhole covers with ease. But hey, why work alone when you can work smarter, not harder? While lift plaque is a game changer for single workers, it's always better to work as a team when tackling heavier loads. The project creators assure us that the magnet will maintain its strength over many years of use, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind on the job. Plus, with its vibrant red and yellow color scheme, lift plaque is highly visible on the road, ensuring worker safety and minimizing the risk of accidents in busy urban environments. While lift plaque may be packed with features and performance, it won't break the bank. With its competitive price point and unbeatable value, this bad boy offers incredible bang for your buck, giving you professional-grade quality without the hefty price tag. The Wolfcraft Magnet Bit Halter. Get ready to revolutionize your DIY game with this game-changing magnetic screwdriver tip attachment. Let's break it down and see what makes it so special. German engineers have once again pushed the boundaries of what's possible with the Wolfcraft Magnet Bit Halter. This magnetic screwdriver tip attachment securely holds the screw in place, eliminating those pesky balancing issues that can make DIY projects a real headache. Say goodbye to dropped screws and hello to effortless precision. The Wolfcraft Magnet Bit Halter features precise height adjustment, allowing you to set the depth required for each screw with ease. No more guesswork or trial and error, just dial in the perfect depth and get to work with confidence. Plus, with a window in the plastic ring, you can monitor the process and ensure everything is going smoothly every step of the way. The stainless steel torque bit included with the Wolfcraft Magnet Bit Halter prevents screw head damage and rust, ensuring reliable performance and long-lasting durability. With this bad boy in your toolkit, you can tackle even the toughest screws with ease, knowing that you're getting professional-grade quality every time. While the Wolfcraft Magnet Bit Halter may be packed with features and performance, it won't break the bank. With its competitive price point and unbeatable value, this bad boy offers incredible bang for your buck, giving you professional-grade quality without the hefty price tag. The QuickPoint Turbo Mortar Gun. Say goodbye to uneven mortar coats and hello to flawless results with this game-changing device. Let's break it down and see what makes it so special. You don't have to be a master mason to achieve a flawless coat of mortar. All you need is the QuickPoint Turbo Mortar Gun. Made in the UK, this bad boy attaches to a drill and smoothly dispenses mixed mortar through a narrow nozzle, making it perfect for filling masonry cracks evenly. Say goodbye to messy, time-consuming manual application and hello to effortless precision. The manufacturer recommends using a drill with a speed of 1 to 1500 revolutions per minute, preferably powered by an electrical outlet. However, a battery-powered drill can also suffice, giving you the flexibility to tackle projects anywhere, anytime. Just remember to keep an eye out for clogging and make sure to clean the gun regularly for optimal performance. The QuickPoint Turbo Mortar Gun has been on the market for several years, which means there are numerous reviews available from satisfied customers who swear by its performance. With its sturdy construction and reliable design, this bad boy is built to last, giving you professional-grade results with every use. While the QuickPoint Turbo Mortar Gun may be packed with features and performance, it won't break the bank. With a starting price of around $110, this bad boy offers incredible value for money, giving you professional-grade quality without the hefty price tag. Please subscribe and also like and comment on the video and share your thoughts about these cool tools.